just a picture of my cat to begin today's video. I have recently just came out with my Instagram and Snapchat. Make sure you add me on Snapchat and Instagram to get the latest gossip on my life, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Like, my life is pretty boring at the moment, but don't worry, my life will be action-packed very soon. So make sure you add me. You can contact me, message me, whatever you want. Many of you have been trying to message me on Snapchat and Instagram, which is absolutely amazing. Snapchat is getting quite busy, and so is Instagram. So yeah, so just be aware of that. Before I begin, I just have to give so many shoutouts to some of my amazing, fabulous family members. Sorry I couldn't fit all of you. I would love to fit 1,000 of you onto one page, but I really can't. There's just not enough time, no space. Like, some people are throwing shoes at me as I say this, but anyway. So here is my Snapchat squad, my Instagram squad, and my early squad. Thank you guys so much for joining all the squads. You are literally all amazing, and I couldn't be here without you guys, so thank you guys so much. Many people are throwing their computers at me because I take too long for an intro, so guys, I'm really sorry. I have to make this quite short. Just remember, if you do want a shout out, just message me on my social medias and I'll give you a shout out. So guys, as you all know, I will be giving a shout out of the video. So from this time, I'm going to be giving a shout out from Younow. So here's the shout out from Younow. It's called Mitra Mohammed 1. Thank you so much for your amazing support on Younow, on YouTube, everywhere basically. She has been there for me, and I've also went on a live video with her on Younow. So just thank you so much, all of you. You're a huge inspiration to me. Just thank you so much. And if you'd like me to give you a shout out, my next video, a potential shout out of the video, all you have to do is add me on all my social medias and then just message me, and then I will give you a shout out. If you add me on Younow and donate or tip me, I think it is, I don't know, then I will give you a main shout out as well. I will be doing Younow shout outs as well, so there's huge amounts of chances to get shout outs. Honestly, I love you all so much, and I couldn't be here without you, so thank you. Make sure if you guys enjoyed today's video to go back to my channel, watch my very simple no glue, no borax slime tutorial. You don't need any glue and it's no borax, so it's so easy, even a baby could do it. Like, get your cat to help you with this. It's so easy and you'll have so much fun. And once you watch that video, you want to go pole dancing with your family. Yes guys, the new giveaway is out right now. So this is how you enter to have a chance to win the iPhone X. So the first thing you have to do is like today's video. Then what you have to do is comment why you want to win. And then what you have to do is share the video with at least 5 friends. And then guys, follow my Instagram, Peter Kiriakou. And then what you have to do is subscribe to my channel to become an AF member, which stands for amazing, fabulous family member, okay? And then obviously turn on post notifications, and then done. Good luck, everyone. Just before we begin today's video, guys, I know, I'm sorry, the intro is about 10 years long, but that's okay because it's funny, yes? So make sure if you guys enjoyed today's video, please, I urge you to either like or dislike this video. If you dislike it and hate me and want me to quit YouTube, hit that dislike button right now. Enjoy yourself, you know, have some fun. If you want to see more of me, then obviously subscribe and hit that like button. Let's try and reach 500 likes in today's video. If we can do that, that'd be so amazing. We'll all go pole dancing. Just before we begin today's video, guys, I really need your support, so if you could please stop the video, like the video right now. If you can all like or dislike, whatever it is, I need to know your opinions, guys, because your opinion does matter on YouTube. It 100% does. So whatever you're doing, stop what you're doing, throw your homework away, you know, throw your chair out the window, like the video or dislike the video right now. Good, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, I know I have not uploaded in about 2 trillion, billion, gazillion, million, jillion years. That is mainly because I've been very stressed, okay? Yeah. So anyway, for today's tutorial, guys, we're going to be making a no glue, no borax, simple, easy slime tutorial. Now, you can call this clay, you can call this misty, I do not care. It's slime anyways. So we're going to try, let me just sit down. Ooh. Okay, I'm on my chair. So guys, make sure if you do enjoy today's video to give this video a huge thumbs up, as I really appreciate it. Make sure you also leave down a comment down below of any recipes you want me to test out. This recipe is actually from Angelina. Thank you, Angelina, for suggesting me this recipe. Let's see if it does work. If it doesn't work, honey, then yeah. Anyway, so guys, make sure you do comment down below any recipes you may have, and I will test them out. I am so glad to be back because I miss you all so much, and I'm so glad we get to, you know, meet each other again, you know, hugs, you know. Make sure if you haven't already, join the club, subscribe to my channel and become part of the amazing, fabulous family member crew. We go pole dancing daily. Guys, if you do enjoy today's video, make sure you do go down back to my channel and check out my other videos because they're all as amazing as each other. And then turn on my notifications so you don't miss another video. Equipment you will need is obviously a container. Now, I found mine in the street. You can find yours anywhere you live. I'm sure you can find one in the bin or under the sink somewhere. Look at all that dirt. Ooh. So you don't need these. Then you also need this. So this is just water, guys. Yeah. It's water in a dirty container. That I don't know why it went blue. Oh, because there's lots of dirt in there. Anyways. So it's just normal water, guys. I also have some spare water on the side, as you can see, just in case we need to, like, refurbish. Then I also have some color, so I'm going to be using a pink color, just in case the slime does work and I hate the color. Then you'll also need any type of shampoo. Now this is my strawberry shampoo. Okay, yes, it's not mine, it's my parents', so we're only going to be using a bit of it, so yeah. Yeah, and then you'll also need some table salt, of course, because that's what the recipe said. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Oh, what the hell, the table's so dirty. So every video, why am I having to clean the table every 5 seconds? Who do you think I am? Do I look like I clean it to you? Have to grab your shampoo. Now this is just bath and shower foam, it says. Bath and shower foam. Somewhere. Focus. Hello, sweetie. Forget it. So what you want to do first, guys, is grab your dirty stinky container you found in the bin, and then what you're going to grab is your mum's shampoo. Now, you don't want to add too much of your mum's shampoo, otherwise she will come and slap you 10 times. So make sure you add a generous amount. Now, this is super glossy, and I just love this color so much, and the scent is amazing. So yeah, we're going to be using this today. So the recipe just said to use a shower bath foam thing. I do not know. Let's see if this works. Now, what you're going to do, guys, is grab some water that you found on the street. I collected mine from the spring. You can easily get your water from Sainsbury's, Asda, Tesco, Walmart, wherever you live. Then what you're going to do is grab a cheap pencil they found in the streets. I found mine at a charity shop. It was about 2p. My cheap pencil, my cheap spoon, whatever you want to say. Now what you're going to do is mix everything together until the water is fully combined with the shampoo. I'm not being funny. I don't know how to say shampoo anymore. Shampoo. Ooh, my voice. What is happening? Guys, my voice is something's wrong with my voice. Like, I need to go see the doctors after this tutorial. Thank you very much. So what you're gonna do is grab, just stir this, guys. You will end up with a very liquidy consistency. I do not know why. Guys, it turned out really, really liquidy already. Like, I'm not optimistic. But anyways, Angelini. Okay, let's just put some. Now we're gonna be adding some table salt. Okay, so you guys told me to add the table salt gradually, so yeah. What is happening? Is it? Ooh. Oh my god, it's getting... No way. What? What? Oh, I think I ruined it. But did you see that, guys? It literally just worked for about 5 seconds. I do not know. Okay, guys, I'm going to now chuck this in the freezer and I'll be back. Put this in your freezer for about 5 to 20 minutes, depending on your freezer, and then once you come back, you'll have some amazing slime, hopefully. I'll be back in about 5 seconds. Okay, guys, I'm now back from the freezer. Let's see if we have made slime, because this video needs to be uploaded in about 5 minutes, otherwise I'm not going to get any views. So what you got... Ooh, no. 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 Okay, I think I put it in the freezer for too long. Oh, wait, no. Okay, maybe there's some justice. Okay, you know what? We're going with our hands. Oh. This is so cold. I feel like I am in Antarctic. That is so cold. Oh, but it's a really nice texture. Guys, are you seeing that? My hand is so cold. Ow, 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 ow. No. No. Okay, let's just mix it together. Okay, so here it is, guys, the final product. Let's just put a light on that because I don't know why it's not even bright in my room. Okay, that is an amazing texture. It stays together. Ooh. That is really, really nice. Oh my god, it did work. It worked to an extent, but if you guys want freezing fingers, then this is not for you. It's definitely not for me, Angelini. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I love you all so much. And if you have watched this video till the end without skipping, you'll have a special place in my heart if you didn't skip a single part and you're still here till the end. I love you so much. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye guys.